In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Capacities to Todoist, so your notes and your tasks finally live in one connected system. It takes about a minute, and you only set it up once. Let's start from anywhere inside Todoist. First, press the letter O on your keyboard to open the menu, then the letter S to jump straight into your settings. When the settings panel opens, you'll see a list down the side with Account, General, Theme, and more. Go ahead and click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make with the other tools you already use every day. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Installed, Browse, and Developer. Click the Browse tab. This opens the full gallery of available integrations, a long alphabetical list of apps that plug straight into Todoist. Scroll until you find Capacities, then click it to open its page. Capacities is a modern, object-based note-taking app for organizing your thoughts, and this is where the two tools shake hands. On the page, click the green Connect button. A new window opens asking you to sign into your Capacities account and approve the connection. Sign in, then approve. Todoist never sees your password. It only gets permission to link the tasks and notes you choose. Once it's linked, your thinking and your doing stop living apart. The action items that surface while you're writing in Capacities can become real Todoist tasks, while your notes keep the full context behind each one. You capture an idea and the next step in the same flow, instead of letting good intentions sit untouched in a document. That's the whole setup. Connect it once, and your notes and your task list finally point the same way. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.